Nice look. Thanks, Farhan. Hi, Avinash. Hi, Diksha. You know what's the best part is coming like live after ages and then saying long time, काफी दिन बाद live. Red Bull लेके तू नहीं. Fun fact, मैंने 12 दिन से Red Bull नहीं पिया. Oh my god. What's up, Amir? Just to take my name. Hey, Glam. I'm sorry. Hi, Ayushi. Hi, बहन. Oh my god, I miss you. अंकित मैं तेरे को फ़ोन करने वाली थी कल, but फिर मैं सो गई क्योंकि मुझे सुबह उठना था. तो yes. I miss you guys a lot. मेरा बहुत मन है सूरत आने का. You have no clue. बहुत ज़्यादा मन है. Hello, Pri. All good. Red Bull. Last time you took mine. I didn't took yours. It just हमने बस शेयर किया था आमिर. ठीक है. मैं कल बाहर निकलने वाली हूँ. तो कल मैं आपको रेड बुल दे दूंगी. Did you remember my name? मुझे नहीं याद रहता. Sorry. Hey Ashi, you look fab. Thank you, Kiara. Hello, Manzoors. Hi, Yestha. I'm a big fan of yours. Jason, what's up? Oh my god, long time. How are you? Hi, I like your new hair color. Thank you. Today's my birthday. Happy birthday, official Suzanne Vora. Keep smiling. You're beautiful. Thank you, Maruf. Zoom call was amazing. Thank you so much. I'm gonna plan it very, very soon. And yes, we'll talk. But only talk. Can you say Komal? Hi, Komal. Yeah. Superb looking, man. Thank you. It's my wife. Add me, ma'am. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not adding anybody right now because I really have to leave in like 5-10 minutes. Actually, मैं बहुत टाइम से लाइव नहीं आई हूँ. मैं ऐसे ही पता नहीं हर बार ही बोलती कि मैं लाइव आऊँगी जल्द ही, बट मेरा जल्द लाइव नहीं होता है. You've lost a lot of weight. Are you serious? I'm trying right now, but I don't think so. Okay, it's too soon. But thanks, Jason. Maybe it's like 8 months or maybe a year. So thoda you might have seen, but I have not done anything on myself. I didn't work on myself in this whole year because of lockdown, obviously. एक बात बोले. हाँ जी बिट्टू. Come on, you look perfect. Hey, thank you so much, Malika Sthu. Hello. Okay, guys. So I want to know that now I'm finally on YouTube. So what are your reviews like? Are you liking my videos? It's a very new platform for me, but I'm trying my best to entertain you guys. And just I don't know. Yeah, like see, YouTube is not easy. जितना वैसे कोई सोचता भी नहीं कि आसान होगा, but actually it is not. And I am putting a lot of hard work in it, and just to make you guys happy and entertain. So yes, I have got much love on YouTube, and I'm still getting it. So thank you so much, so much, and I really love you guys. So keep telling me what else you want me to do. But as for next week, like a week or more than a week, I guess, like maybe 8, 9 or 10 days, I'm throwing a surprise because I guess 1.5 year back, you guys since 1.5 year you guys have been telling me to do something which I couldn't because I didn't had the confidence to do it, but finally I got it. So मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना I hope he or she's safe. Okay. full day vlog with real stuff you do? Nahi, it is none like a vlog or something, but it's something really really big for me. I don't know if it's big for you, but it's big for me because I'm not giving any of you hints. मेरे को अभी किसी को भी hint नहीं देना है, but just wait for like a week or a week maybe. So guys, next week dropping a surprise. I'm very nervous and I'm excited though, and it's big for me because I didn't think I could do it, but then I did it and I was like, oh my god. So I'm just waiting ki kab I'll drop out that surprise, and just want your love. That's it. Anyways, well, how are you guys, and are you guys safe? See, I'm home, I'm safe. Please say my name is Zikra. Hi Zikra. Any questions, anything that you guys have to ask me or suggest me to do on my YouTube, and just suggestions I need. Hey Kabu. Hello, hi. Hi Aliza. Hi Atmika. So yes, you need to keep suggesting me that what should I make, because thinking ideas are like, so I need your help obviously. Like what you guys want, obviously I'll do that. Say Harsh, I miss you. Harsh, I miss you. I do. I miss every one of you. Ankit, you, and मैं एक एक करके नाम नहीं लूँगी, अगर किसी का भूल गई तो फिर कोई बुरा बन जाएगा. Radhika. How is Meenua? She is perfect. She's out for shopping. Fun fact, without me. I'm so sad. She left me. Shopping के लिए मम्मा left me. मुझे sorry. You can cut 50 of my overacting. I won't mind. Your home tour. Okay. Right now everything is messed because I'm probably going to shift in a month or so. So अभी तो मेरा यही बात बतानी थी कि जो आप होम टूर और रूम टूर मांग रहे हो वो अभी नहीं हो सकता, because things are quite messed, because we are about to pack and almost half things are packed. So रूम टूर में आप सिर्फ खाली बक्से, आप कुछ भरे हुए बक्से देखोगे तो so just wait till I shift and I set up my new house, and then house tour. You have to wait for things, babes. Till then keep suggesting me something apart from home tour that you guys want me to do. 50 नहीं 51 काटूंगा. Okay. But still it upsets me that I'm not in the mall right now with mama shopping. Say my name, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पंखा हूँ मैं. Hi Ashu. My God. Full day vlog, real stuff. Full day vlog, real stuff. मेरा तो ठीक है. आप करोगे? आपके साथ ही बनाऊंगी, रुक जाओ. Everybody type Ashu is killing on YouTube. Oh my God, is it? अंकु? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, अभी सिर्फ 4 वीडियोस डाली है मैंने और इतना तो कुछ. Sorry. सिर्फ 4 वीडियोस डाली है मैंने, तो उसमें कुछ उखाड़ा नहीं है मैंने. वो भी 4 बहुत ही रैंडम नॉर्मल वीडियो है, तो ज़्यादा सर पे चढ़ाने की तो ज़रूरत है नहीं. ठीक है. हाय महक, यू लुकिंग सो क्यूट. थैंक यू. हाँ, नो लाला शू. Any questions that you guys want to ask, or I'm leaving in 5 minutes, so you have to ask me something, or if you want, I'm here for 5 minutes. Ashu, okay. हाँ यार, क्या ही था मुझे. I really have to work more hard on YouTube. Like, इतने से काम नहीं चलता बॉस. Congo for your 100k. Thank you so much. It's all because of you. I love you guys. You're looking so cute. Thank you. Yes, one more important question, Lala. हाँ जी आमिर बोलिए. Are you in relationship? No. Relationship में होती तो इतना focus नहीं कर रही होती YouTube पे, Insta पे and all the other things I'm doing right now. So yes, I'm single. मम्मी के साथ वो वाला बनाओ ना, वो हेडफोन्स पहन कर ना, फिर सामने वाले जो बोले वो गैस करने का. एक्सक्यूज मी, यू वांट मी टू डू विस्पर चैलेंज विद मम्मी? रहने दो. मम्मी कुछ और बोल रही, मैं कुछ और सुन के बोल दी तो लगेंगे मेरे. लॉन्ग वे टू गो, ऑलवेज प्राउड ऑफ यू बेब. आंकू यार मुझे सूरत आना है यार. नहीं, मैं वो नहीं कर सकती. विस्पर चैलेंज तो मम्मी के साथ नहीं हो सकता. बट आई एम प्लानिंग समथिंग विथ माई मॉम. हाँ मुझे पता, मैं आ रही हूँ 5 मिनट. आई प्रिपेयर सम क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू, प्लीज मेक टाइम एंड सी. ओके, आई डू दैट. Okay guys, I need to leave right now and I'll see you next time. And next time मेरा बहुत जल्दी होगा क्योंकि इस बार मैं बहुत कम टाइम के लिए लाइव आई हूँ, वो भी बहुत टाइम बाद. So yes, I'll be live soon and thank you so much for showing so much love everywhere, whether it's Insta or YouTube or whatever. I really love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me and thank you so much for 100k on YouTube and I really love you and I shall see you next time. Bye.